everyone, myself Rabia Khan and I am the student of PUC 2nd and I am going to explain on the given topic, that is mobility and drift velocity. First of all, we will move to the mobility and understand it. Mobility, the ability to move or to be moved freely, easily is known as mobility. Mobility of free electrons is defined as drift velocity of electron per unit electric field, and the SI unit of electron mobility is meter square per second volt. Simply we understand the mobility is where the electrons can easily or freely move. It's known as mobility. And now we'll study about the drift velocity, the average velocity with which the electron inside the conductor where the electric field is applied where along its terminal is known as drift velocity.
Hi everyone, today I am going to explain the difference between conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators are the two types of materials. The major difference between conductors and insulators are conductors allow the energy to pass through them, whereas insulators does not allow the energy to pass through them. Conductors conduct electricity very fast. Insulators does not allow the electric current and make conductor very poor. Conductors allow the electricity very fast because of the free electron present between them. Insulators insulate the electricity because the tight bonded electrons between them. Aluminium, silver, copper, gold. These are the example for the conductors. Glass, rubber, plastic, and these are the example for the insulators. Thank you.
This is Shambhavi of class 2nd PU and I am going to explain few points in physics. That's electric current in conductors. Electric current, the flow of charge in a definite direction, constitutes the electric current. The time rate of flow of charge through any cross section of a conductor is a measure of current. Is called electric current. Electric current formula. Electric current is equal to net charge flown by time taken. I is equal to Q by T, dQ by dt. Electric current represents the direction of the flow of positive charge. It is treated as scalar quantity and current flows through the laws of scalar addition, not the vector addition. Angle between the wires carrying currents does not affect the total current in the circuit. Current carries in a solid conductors. In a solid conductors like metals, the valence electrons of the atoms do not remain attached to the individual atoms, but they are free to move throughout the volume of the conductor. Under the effect of an external electric field, the valence electrons move in a definite direction, causing electric current in a conductor. Thus, the valence electrons are the current carries in a solid. Current carries in gases. Ordinarily, the gases are insulators of the electricity. They can be ionized by applying a high potential difference at a low pressure. Thus, the positive ions and the electric electrons are the current carries in a gases. Thank you.
Good evening. I am going to explain Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductors. VIR. That means V means volt or potential difference, I means current, R means resistance. Ohm's law formula is V is equal to I into R. I is equal to V by R. R is equal to V by I. Current is directly proportional to the volt or potential difference. Volt or potential difference directly proportional to the current. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Kirti. Today I am going to explain Ohm's law. Ohm's law was named after the scientist Ohms who gave this law. Ohm's law states that current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. This means as the potential difference increases, the current flowing through the conductor also increases, and vice versa. Mathematically, V is equal to I into R, where V represents potential difference, I is electric current, and R is resistance. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am going to explain about mobility. The ability to move or to be moved freely or easily. Mobility of the electron is defined as the draft velocity, the electron per unit electric field. The formula of mobility: draft velocity divided by electric field. SI unit of mobility, meters square per volt. For example, landline, it is wired, we cannot carry everywhere, and mobile, we can carry everywhere. Thank you.
Hi, hello guys. Let's come to topic. What's my topic? My topic is resistivity and resistance. Okay. Today, let us know first resistivity. The resistivity means it's defined as a resistance material having specific dimension. It is known as resistivity. And resistance means a property of a substance due to which it opposes the free electron, flow of free electron, which opposes flow of free electron. It is known as resistance. The both of the major difference between them. Difference between resistance and resistivity. Major difference between them is opposites of flow free electrons, whereas resistivity is property. Actually, please understand what I am going to say. Okay. Let's come to formula better. Resistance formula is I will try to answer, you understand. Okay. You will get it what I am going to. Okay, you're getting it? Are getting? Okay. This is resistance formula. Okay. This is resistivity formula, and I will show on diagram also here. I am not good in diagram, but also I did. This resistance, okay, you can call this portion as a resistance, whereas you can see this kind of balls here, that is known as atoms and molecules, and this arrow mark you can say free electrons, which is flowing freely. This portion is known as resistance. Okay, and come to my resistance. Okay. Resistance depends upon only length, cross-section area and temperature. Resistivity only depends upon temperature. Okay. Enough. Bye. Yeah, don't put. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Subatomic particles like electrons move in a random direction all the time. The net velocity at which these electrons drift is known as drift velocity. The average velocity attained by charged particles in a material due to an electric field. Formula for drift velocity: I is equal to NAVU. I stands for current, N stands for number of electrons, A stands for cross-sectional of area, V stands for drift velocity, and Q stands for the electric current.
Hi everyone, today I am going to explain the topic mobility. What is mobility? The to move or to be moved freely or easily. Mobility of a free electron is defined as the draft velocity of electron per unit electric field. Mobility formula: draft velocity divided by electric field. The SI unit of a mobility is meter square per second volt. For example, just like a landline and mobile phone. Landline, it is wired and we cannot carry everywhere. Mobile, it's non-wired but